All right, I've got some BMW news for you guys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Denver. I'm a client advisor here at Parkview BMW in Toronto, Canada. And today I'm gonna walk you guys through the retail ordering guides for the 2023 5 Series. Before I get into the numbers, make sure you guys smash the like button. Helps me out, helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Now, let's get into the product bulletin. So BMW is nice enough to provide a product planning bulletin to kind of highlight what the changes are. So I think the 5 Series was the only vehicle that didn't get a price increase from 2022 to 2023. Now, the 540 used to have Dakota leather as a standard feature. That has gone away. We now have Saints Tech as a standard feature. The Premium Essential package has decreased by $100. You might think that's a win, but we're removing Universal Garage Door Opener, which is a $300 item, so therefore the price of the vehicle is going up. Now you will see under the Enhanced package that Bowers & Wilkins is disappearing. Now I just want to clarify that it's not actually, was never part of the package. It actually was an option, and it's just restricted right now from the factory, so there is no option to purchase Bowers & Wilkins at the moment. Looks like the M Sport package, or the M Sport Pro package, is a new option that they're now offering for the 530 and the 530e, and on the 540 and M550 is just increasing in price. And that M Sport Pro package is now going to include the red M Sport brakes, the Shadowline headlights, the rear M spoiler, and the high gloss black exterior content. So as you'll see, the Universal Garage Door Opener is now a standalone feature for $300. Red M Sport brakes are no longer available as a standalone feature. Shadowline headlights are no longer available as a standalone feature. And it looks like ski and snowboard bags have also been removed. The laser light headlights have increased by $500. Bowers & Wilkins is currently restricted. And the Alcantara roof liner has also increased by $400. Looks like the paints also got some removal. So Bloomstone Metallic and Bernina Gray Amber Metallic are no longer available. We now have Arctic Race Blue available for the first time on the 5 Series, just coming over from the 4 Series, and Skyscraper Gray is now a new addition. On the 540, the Napa leather has increased by $100, and there's no more individual merino leather on the 540 or the M550. Looks like we're also getting a 530 M Sport Edition, and that M Sport Edition is going to have all the following down below. Looks like it is a combination of Essential package plus an M Sport package with a few other tweaks in there, like the red M Sport brakes, the Universal Garage Door Opener, and the Harman Kardon sound system, and the wireless charging tray. Looks like there'll be some optional equipment between the Cognac, Sansatec, as well as non-manufactured paint. And it looks like the options blue M Sport brakes will be an option and different wheel options. But basically we'll have 4 colors: the black sapphire, tanzanite blue, metallic paint, or the Aventurin paint, and the Alvite gray paint. I imagine the Aventurin and the Tanzanite will be just an additional $500. And then the black or Cognac interior with either the black or the bicolor wheels. Alright, now let's move into the actual retail ordering guide where you're going to see all the full pricing. Now, main thing to know on this page is we have these started production in July of 2022, and there's 4 engine variants. We have the 530 4-cylinder 2-liter turbocharged engine, the hybrid 530e, which takes that 4-cylinder and adds in that hybrid component, the 6-cylinder B58 of the 540, and the M550, which is still getting the N63 engine. Moving on to the next page, we have all of our base MSRP pricing for all the model variants and your paints. Now, Alpine White and Jet Black are a no-charge package option, but once you go to a M Sport package vehicle like the 540 or the M550, you cannot get Jet Black. And then we go down to our metallic paints. Looks like majority of them are a no-charge paint option, and then some of them are a special 1450. Tanzanite Blue, Aventurin Red, and Alvite Gray are all 1450. Moving into the upholsteries, we have Sansatec is a no-charge option, and then on the M550, Dakota Leather is a no-charge option with an optional Napa Leather upgrade. We have Premium Essential package that's going to include your automatic trunk, comfort door access, rear seat pass-through, galvanic controls, and your head-up display. Moving on to the next page, you have your Premium Enhanced package, which is going to include the more features like the parking assistant with surround view, Harman Kardon sound system, soft closed doors, and then you have your Premium Excellence package, which is basically just fully loaded. Then we have a few additional packages. You have your rear comfort package, advanced driver's assistance package for that active stop and go cruise control, and the M Sport Pro package, which is the red brakes, shadowline headlight, rear M spoiler, and the high gloss black exterior content. Now on the 530i or hybrid, you need to have the M Sport package first before you can get into the M Sport Pro package. That's going to include your wheels, brakes, all the high gloss black exterior content, everything like that. After the package, you start getting into individual options that you can do. So everything right here is just the individual wheel options you have to choose from. more individual options, you know, you're going to start getting into like dynamic dampener control on the 540, universal garage door opener, the 50-year special emblems on the M550, ventilated front seats, the comfort seats, rear heated seats, and different trim on the inside. Going on more individual options with those different trims, you know, laser light headlights, wireless charging tray, high gloss black exterior content, and at the very bottom you'll see individual paintwork, so either frozen paintwork or just individual paintwork. Then you'll get into the standard features for each model. Each model has different ones, like the 540B58 has the 40 mild hybrid technology, and every single one has a remote engine start, and then you just kind of go through and you can see which ones are standard features for different models. Then we just get into the page 2 of the standard features. As we get to the end of the standard features, we start to move into what the different wheel options look like, what those wheel specs are, and those tire specs. All right, thank you guys so much. If you guys appreciate this content, you made it all the way to the end, absolutely smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, reach out to me if you need a BMW in the Toronto marketplace, share this with your friends and family, and I'll see you on the next one.